Hi there. One of the questions I often get asked is, can the 3-in-1 ultrasonic device help with breaking down the visible signs of cellulite? Well, that's actually one of the reasons the machine was created in the first place. So to break down cellulite, you want to use the top part of the machine. This is the part that emits the radio frequency, and the bottom part here, or the part around the outside, is the bit that basically emits infrared light. Why you want to use this is this part is going to emit that frequency, which basically goes through the skin and disrupts those cells, those fat cells which are stored under the skin, which gives you the dimpling effect. At the same time, the dome will heat up and start to melt fat, because if you think about what happens when we apply heat to fat, it starts to break down fat cells. The important thing to remember is for the visual signs of cellulite, because it's really hard lumps of stored fat, the ideal movement you want to use, so first of all, pop your gel onto the dome, first of all, and a little bit perhaps of the skin firming oil concentrate, or you could even consider using the this oil here, which is for stretch marks. So for those of you who've lost a lot of weight like I have, probably got stretch marks, this will really help too. You pop it onto the dome, and it's really important that you think on those areas where you've got cellulite. I'll just move my top out of the way. You want to move it in a circular motion and around in circles. So it doesn't matter if it's on your stomach, on your legs, your thighs. You want to keep that circular movement going, and you want to ensure that the dome of the machine always stays connected to your skin. That's really important, because that's how those electromagnetic frequencies transfer or emit into your skin. When you're moving around the arm in particular, if you go down, make sure you come back up, because you want to move those stored fat cells up towards your lymph glands, which are, as we know, are located in the armpit. So you want to ensure you're moving that up. With the legs, if this is a thigh, for example, you want to do the same thing and keep the that movement always moving up towards where your glands are located in your groin area. Important to note too with the thigh, often on the inside of the thigh, if you can just imagine that, we have extra fat stores celled there as well. So you can also do a movement across this way, which will also help with that visual difference with the cellulite. But always start from the bottom and again move your way back up to the top. You can also do the same circular movement, or get somebody you trust to do it on your butt. And remember, nice big circular movements. And if it's getting a little stuck, you just apply a little bit more of your gel. So there you go. That's how you can start your journey of breaking down those stored cells which create that look of cellulite and help get smoother, more fabulous looking skin.